Hey guys, what's up? It's Christine Steele, the High Level Queen, and in this video, we are going to review the latest high level membership updates, including how to allow or disallow video downloads, how to upload in 1080p, and how to do a universal search. So let's get started. So for those of you guys who don't know, we actually have a free Facebook group called Marketing Agency Automation Secrets, where we give away hundreds of dollars in free trainings every single week to our members. So click the link below to go check that out. The first Gohighlevel membership update that was done is going to either enable or disable video downloads from your membership site. So if you are in your membership area and you click on settings and go to site details, it's down here. Show download option for original video. You can either disable it or enable it. So if you don't want people to be able to download your videos, simply turn this off. How cool is that? Okay, super easy. The second thing that they did was they enabled 1080p video uploads, which is amazing. So to do this, you're going to go into your course. You're going to edit it, click on select video and upload a new file, and then just choose a 1080p file, and it's going to go ahead and upload. All right, so when it's done, you can click on preview, and that's going to open this up, and then you can see what it looks like by doing that. Whoa, I got a new monitor and it just took up the whole thing. So that's clearly super high resolution right there, which is awesome and amazing. And the third thing that you can do now, which is so cool, if you just open up the course, I already have it open because I clicked on preview, you can actually do a search like you can in Kajabi. Okay, so if you search for your module or your lesson, you can just click on it and it'll open it up just like that. Let's try welcome. Cool. Check that out. How awesome is that? Okay, so those are the latest membership updates. Don't forget to sign up for your free trial using the link below and like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from me. And I'll see you next time.